How to replace a Mythos Clump Crusher. The whole process takes less than 10 minutes and should be required every 3 to 6 months. You will need a 1.75mm Phillips head screwdriver, a metal pick, a small grinder brush, and a clump crusher. Remove the front plate, then use a brush and pick to clean the exit chute and inner screw. Remove the inner screw and be careful not to strip the screw by using the wrong head. Pull out the exit chute and the old clump crusher. Fold a new clump crusher into a box shape. Align the clump crusher with the exit chute and fit back together, making sure to align all holes. Reattach inner screw and front plate. Finally, just check and make sure your clump crusher is aligned properly. And then you're done.